Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Notion calendar syncing for project tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To start subscribing to the Notion calendar for project tracking, first, open your Notion workspace. Navigate to the page where you want to integrate your calendar. Look for the option to add a new block. Select the calendar view option from the block menu. Next, create a new calendar if one does not already exist. Once your calendar is created, head to the top right corner to find the Share button. Click on Share to open the sharing settings. In the sharing settings, locate the option to share to web. Enable the Share to Web toggle. Copy the generated link that appears after enabling the web sharing option. Now, open the calendar syncing tool of your choice. In the syncing tool, find the option to add a new calendar. Paste the copied link into the designated field. Ensure you set the appropriate settings for data visibility. Save the changes in the syncing tool. Return to Notion to confirm that your calendar reflects the synced updates. You can now add events to your Notion calendar. Watch as those events sync to your chosen calendar platform seamlessly. Regularly check your syncing tool for any updates or adjustments needed. With this setup, you can effectively track all your project milestones and deadlines. Enjoy the enhanced visibility and organization that comes with syncing your Notion calendar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.